Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets and BigQuery manually and automatically. So let's get started. First, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to BigQuery using connected sheets. Open a spreadsheet, click Data and select Data Connectors. Then click Connect to BigQuery. Now click Get Connected and then choose a project, a data set, and a table. Google Sheets will transfer all the data from BigQuery to Google Sheets. Since BigQuery data doesn't automatically sync with connected sheets, you can refresh the data manually or schedule refresh. You have successfully connected Google Sheets to BigQuery. Another option is to connect Google Sheets to BigQuery automatically using Sheetgo. Sheetgo allows you to create multiple connections on top of your spreadsheets and BigQuery data. It also enables you to build end-to-end workflows and automate entire business processes using your BigQuery data. Another advantage is that Sheetgo has a very user-friendly interface that allows you to transfer, merge, filter, and split data with a few clicks. Click the link in the video description below to sign up for Sheetgo. This will take you to the Sheetgo web application where you can sign up using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click New Workflow and then click Create Connection. Give the workflow and connection a name at the top of the screen. I'll call it Sales Report. Now select your source. I'll click BigQuery. First, you need to grant Sheetgo access to your BigQuery account. Click Grant Permission and follow all the steps. Now it's time to choose your project, dataset, and table. If you click Source Columns, you can see all the available columns from the table. Then you can write an SQL query to retrieve data from BigQuery. As you can see, Sheetgo has already suggested a query. I'll just limit to 100 rows. Then I'll click Next Step. Here I'll select the destination. I'll choose Google Sheets. Now I'll choose my destination file. I can either select an existing file or let Sheetgo create a new file. I'll ask Sheetgo to create a new spreadsheet. I'll name the file in the tab. As I mentioned before, one of the greatest advantages of using Sheetgo is that we can build workflows to automate entire business processes. So I'll click Add New Step to create a new connection and send emails automatically. Here I can share files and send access links or add files as attachments. I'll add files as attachments. Now I can get the email addresses dynamically from a column or use custom recipients. I'll select custom recipients and add the email addresses. I can customize the subject line and the message. Then I'll click Finish and Save. There you have it. Sheetgo has transferred data from BigQuery to Google Sheets. In addition, it will also send the files as email attachments automatically. Now you can transfer data from BigQuery and run your workflow whenever you want by pressing Run. You can also set up automatic transfers if you click Automate. Click Run Automatically and select how often you want to run your workflow. Sheetgo will transfer data from BigQuery and send the files automatically. That's how you can connect Google Sheets and BigQuery manually and automatically. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.